For a child, regardless of the gender, first husband figure and first wife figure is always their own parents. It's the parents which create an example for the child that what is marriage. In today's date, if you notice, majority of the men as well as women are too afraid to get married. Majority of the effects are coming from such kind of things like domestic violence from the childhood memory. This I had seen in my one-on-one counseling sessions. So when a girl child saw her own father physically, mentally, and verbally abusing her mother, what kind of psychological development happened within that girl's child? Within that girl child, when she saw that her father is beating up her mother, that time this particular psychological development, this particular emotional development that she had, that the way my mother is getting thrashed by my father, I will not tolerate this nonsense. This is a very natural feeling which gets developed in a girl child. When she saw her own father verbally abusing her mother, she told to herself, I make a decision right now that I won't be verbally abused by my husband. If my husband gives any kind of nonsense, such kind of nonsense to me, I will give it right back on his face. Alright, this is the psychological development which a girl develops. Alright, in today's generation, women too, if you see, of course, not in all the women, but frankly speaking, I took out the percentage out of my counseling sessions. It was somewhere around, though it is a very, very scary percentage, it is somewhere around 95%. That means 95% children saw domestic violence in their childhood. It was so common. 95% is a very huge percentage. I'm just talking about India. All right. In today's date, if you pay attention, that majority of the women are career oriented. They are money oriented. They want to earn. They want to kind of be free. They want to earn by their own self. This is also the starting point of this also is majority derived from their own childhood. When they saw their father beating up their own mother, a psychological development developed in them because their mother were not able to get them out, as well as they were not able to take the children out of their house, as well as they were not able to get out of the relationship because they were not financially independent. If you see in today's date, majority of the women are talking about independence. This is where it is getting derived from majoritively, though for certain kind of other things are also working. A systematic brainwashing is also going on. Many things are going on there, but this is the base. This is the base of it. Normally what happens in society, if majority of the society starts to do one thing, that particular person will start to copy the society. Now, this is one more perspective. But where did it start from? It started from the suppression of previous generation women. When the girl child saw this suppression happening on her woman, and when she paid attention and saw that her mother is not able to get out of the relationship just because she was not financially independent, she did not earn, she wasn't the bread earner. So that's when she decided right in her childhood that first what I will do is that I will become independent. I will become independent. First I will earn, I'll stand up on my feet, and after I make some amount of money, then I'll get married. Now coming down to the opposite gender, when, for an example, if a girl child was seeing her own father abusing the mother, if she has a brother is also seeing his own father abusing and suppressing and beating up his own mother. What kind of psychological development happened within his mind? What kind of emotion, what kind of thoughts were born within his mind? It was exactly the opposite. Where women thought, where that girl child thought that I will not be suppressed, Male child thought that I will not suppress. I'll repeat once again. Where the female child thought that I will not be suppressed, I will not be exploited, I will not get beaten up, the male child thought that I will never ever suppress my wife. I will never ever violate her life, her rights. I'll never ever physically or verbally or in any way abuse my wife. I'll keep pampering her, I'll keep her within my life with love. This is the psychological development which got developed when a boy saw his own father beating up her own mother. Now, if you pay attention over here, a female child as well as the male child, both are facing the same situation, both are seeing the same situation. But the psychological development which is getting developed in both of their minds are exactly the opposite manner. Exactly the opposite manner. And if you pay attention towards the psychological development within a girl's child, she was getting prepared for divorce way before she knew that who her husband is going to be. As said, what she thought of. She thought that I would be first financially independent, so that if my husband does anything with me, any sort of nonsense, I'll take my children and get out of the house. That means she was getting mentally prepared from her childhood. And this is, I'm sorry to say, but this is a very major issue. Very major issue. I know it is very, very hard to get detached from childhood memories. Okay, let me explain that how these childhood memories, how deep they are and how hard it is to get detached from them. Now, everybody has a mother, right? And you ask anybody that who's your best chef for you, whose food is best for you, whose food you love to have. Each and every child, even after he or she becomes 30 years old or 40 years old, they will say the best food was of our mother's hand or is of our mother's hand. Everybody says that. It is very but natural. There is a high possibility, for an example, if Keshavji's mother cooks that food, then I wouldn't like it. And if my mother cooks food, Keshavji wouldn't like it. There is a high possibility, but still I love my mother's food. Still my mother is the best bake. Why? Because there is a very deep psychological effect of taste as well, let me tell you. Now, taste is a sense organ, as just like eyes is a sense organ, ears are a sense organ. Exactly in the same way, taste is a sense organ, tongue is a sense organ. Now, the job of sense organ is to collect in information, store it within the mind in the form of memory. Alright, mind is a cultivation of memories and nothing else. Alright. So the first taste, the first memory which was collected in through taste was of the mother's hand. The first baker for a child is always his or her own mother. Now this memory acts like a seed within the mind because this is the first memory which was collected through this particular sense organ. What is a tree? Nothing but a fully grown up seed. Who is an adult? Nothing but a fully grown up child. Nothing else. The more older the memory, the more deeper the memory. The more deeper the memory, the more powerful the memory. And if memory is very, very powerful, then memory would be very, very effective throughout your life. That is why in this age also you are not able to detach from that particular part of the mind, from that particular part of the memory. That is why in today's date also your mother is the best chef for you. Just because the taste, this memory which got collected through taste acts as a seed within your mind. Because this was the first memory which got collected through your sense organ, which is a taste. I've been into 16 years of practice in this spirituality. Spirituality is all about attaining the state of thoughtlessness. And in today's date also, I could not get rid of this particular memory where my mother's hands taste the best. She's the best chef for me. Usually I think that if this is the case with me, then what would be the case of such kind of people, where people did not go into such kind of deeper perspective of mind? How are they controlling this their memory, where they felt they face such kind of domestic abuse? And it is previous generation, this also did happen, that from their mothers, domestic abuse also came towards their children. That has also been done. Okay, now this is not on a very large scale, but this did happen too. This literally did happen.